Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to science class. Today we are going to learn about three extreme weather conditions. In our previous class we learned about heat wave and cold wave, and today we are going to learn about drought, flood and nor'wester. So at first we are going to write down the topic name. The topic name is extreme weather, and we are going to learn about flood, drought and nor'wester. The other name of nor'wester is kalboishakhi. So these are the topic names of our today's class. Our first extreme weather condition is flood. Now we are going to write down the definition of flood. Flood is an overflow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limit. Please write it with me. Flood is an overflow of water of a large amount of water beyond its normal limit. So this is the definition of flood. In rainy season, almost 1/5 of the country submerged under the water. This is first information related with flood, and now our second information is in extreme weather. In extreme weather, almost 2/3 of the country submerged under the water. So this is the information which are related with flood. I am repeating it again that the definition of flood is an overflow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limit, and in rainy season almost 1/5 of the country submerged under the water, and in extreme condition it is almost 2/3 of the country which is submerged under rainy water or submerged under the water. Our second extreme weather condition is drought. So our topic name will be drought. Now we are going to learn about the definition of drought. Drought is a usually long period of dry weather. Bangladesh faces drought, especially in the northwestern part of the country. So write down the definition. Usually usually long period. Period of dry weather, especially Bangladesh, especially northern, northwestern part of the country. And the causes of floods are causes. Number one causes is abnormally less rainfall. And number two is higher temperature than usual. When we face a hot temperature, then it can be a major reason of drought. So point number two will be higher temperature than usual. So these are the information which are related with drought. The definition of drought is a usually long period of dry weather. It can be seen in the northwestern part of the country, and the main reason of drought is abnormally less rainfall and higher temperature than usual. Our last extreme weather condition is Noreaster. The definition of Noreaster is thunderstorms which is common during summer in our country is known as Noreaster. It is also known as Kalboishakhi. The characteristics of Noreaster are it can create by surface heating, and it's frequently occurred in the late afternoon. And number characteristics is the speed of the Noreaster storm can be several kilometers to 20 kilometers. And number 4 is it's vertically grown up convective cloud cumulonimbus. The cumulonimbus means it's one kind of rotation of wind that brings thunder and lightning and heavy rainfall. So this is the end of our lecture 4. Tomorrow we will learn about tornado and cyclone. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.